In this video, we're going to start rebuilding this Nissan March, which was previously involved in an accident. It was reported to have rolled over the Abadia mountain slopes. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Without further ado, let's get moving. The first order of business is to offload the car from the flatbed so that we can assess the extent of the damage. From our first impressions, the car is going to need a new driver's door, a new front and right fender, both front and back windshields, and the driver's and passengers' window panes of the right side of the car. We will also have to get replacement parts for the completely obliterated suspension. Despite all the damage, we checked the engine and to our surprise, it was running perfectly. This project is going to take place in a JUA KALI setup in Nairobis Industrial Area at Dunga Close. This video will be the first of a series, so that you can get to follow up on the Nissan March repair series. With immediate effect, hit the subscribe button, share your thoughts on the comment section, and hit the like button because it's going to help with the algorithm. And as you do that, let's check out the damage on the car.
Hiyo lazima.
Service ya gear ya engine. Wale angalia tu nini inaitwa aje?
Mane ngene kumje gote. Ngane matije tega. Napo kuje gani? Kana bani be yare na mana.
Ruto pale wanasema mimi kuna kitu sana. Watu wanaanza hiyo yote. Mimi ningetaka singekuwa tikitiki na mambo ishi. Sasa it didn't come from me. Ni watu walisema. Na wakaenda kotini na koti kawasikiza. Sasa mimi naingia hapo.
Niko dunga kwa sai. Mlikuwa naye? Tuko hapa tu hata. Janiambia nini? Nini yo? Sheli ya mlango,
Nani umetoa sukari?
Juu inatumia kuseti,
If you've made it to this part of the video, as you can see, the workers already started to repairing this car, and the red equipment that you see right there is it's called a body jack. This is used to straighten the frames. As you can see in this car, there was a lot of bent frames, especially around the driver's side, where the driver sits. And instead of buying a whole panel, you opt for a shortcut. It's not really a shortcut, it's just a cheaper way of doing things, and you use a body jack. So it uses hydraulic pressure. You set the points and attempt to straighten it. And further down in the video, maybe in the next video, you're going to see that you have to measure out the measurements so that you can get the manufacturer spec, because it's going to affect the stability of the car, and also the aesthetics of the car, because it's nice to put it back to to original spec. We do the best we can given the resources that we have. And all thanks to this team. This part of the job is called panel beating. So as we said earlier in the video, we plan to do a video series. So the first part of this video is actually this one, where we showcase some of the panel beating. And in the next follow-up videos, I want you to stay tuned, stay curious, and see how things go from here. So I'm glad you're enjoying it. So let's continue watching the video.